So again, we are discussing the questions related to R.S. Agarwal equation pattern. In equation part, I am giving you some sort of equations which you have to solve by using the method of transfer, okay? Which we have done it yesterday. Before we start this method, I just want to tell you the three processes which I have told you for it. The first, you have to think which variable is used, okay? The second thing, you have to make the variable alone for finding out the value of variable. Okay, second step. Third step, you have to transfer everything to the next side where the constant are written, जहां पर numbers लिखे हैं. ठीक है, आपको एक एक करके सारी चीज ट्रांसफर करनी है उस तरफ एंड वेरिएबल को अकेला करना है. ठीक है, when you are transferring something, remember the position will get changed. Position will get changed means if the thing is written, if the number is written in positive या plus में addition में, that side it will go in subtraction. If it is in subtraction, will go in addition. If it is in multiplication, will go in division. And if it is in division, it will go in multiplication. Remember, just opposite. Okay. So let's start with question number 1. Please solve it. Z minus 4 is equals to 9. I want answer from your end. And after solving, you will be telling me, Z minus 4 is equals to 9, the first question. Next question is minus Z minus 1 is equals to 10. Okay. Next question, question number C is P minus 9 is equals to 8. Third question is, the fourth question is 3x is equals to minus 30. Question number 5th is x by 20 is equals to 5. I have given you these 5 questions. You try it by the method which I have taught yesterday. After your doing, I will be also discussing these questions with you. Okay? So first you try and then we together will try this. Okay? Okay. So students, I have given you these 5 questions. Let us discuss one by one all those questions which is given by me. So the first one, if you will find, this is z minus 4. तो सबसे पहले पता लगाते हैं इसमें वेरिएबल कौन सा है. This is variable z. It means we have to keep variable alone. Whether the variable is on right hand side or the left hand side, आपको variable को अकेला छोड़ना है. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले यहाँ पर आ गया z minus 4 is equals to 9. So when you will be solving it, it will give you z यहाँ पर अकेला रह जाएगा. आपको -4 को भेजना पड़ेगा उसको उस साइड. तो -4 will go that side in positive 4. Means subtraction में था, वहां जाकर के हो जाएगा addition में. And 9 4 होता है 13. So the first answer will be z is equals to 13. Please tick your question. Give yourself 5 marks. If this is right, give yourself 5 marks. Okay. Now move on to the second question. The second question is minus z minus 1 is equals to 10. Means variable is again z. So we have to keep variable alone. So हमें किसको हटाना पड़ेगा यहाँ से -1 को हटाना पड़ेगा. So जब हम -1 को हटाएंगे बेटा तो वहां जाकर क्या बन जाएगा +1. Okay. So here we will be left with minus z is equals to 11. Now I am asking from you all, if minus z is equals to 11, can you tell me what is the value of z? What is the value of z? अगर माइनस z का मतलब 11 है तो z का मतलब कितना हुआ? Remember, just opposite of it. Yes, Rishabh, you are right. Just opposite of it. Remember, if minus z is equals to 11, it means z is equals to minus 11. Okay, so this will be the answer for the second question. Now third question. Third question I gave you is p minus 9 is equals to 8. Okay, So when you will transfer, because variable is here p, तो हमको अकेला करना है p को, so minus 9 will go that side, so it will give you 8 plus 9, ठीक है, and 8 plus 9 होता है बेटा 17, so value of p will come 17, ठीक है, value of p will come 17 for the question number 3. Fine. Now I am going to rub this and telling you the question number 4 and 5. So question number 4 which was given by me was 3x is equals to minus 30. Remember beta, 3x means hota hai 3 into x, not plus x. Huh? It's 3 into x is equals to minus 30. Okay. Now what you are going to do this? You are going to make the variable alone. So variable x है. वेरिएबल को अकेला करने के लिए हमको यहाँ से into 3 हटाना पड़ेगा, तो जब into वहां जाएगा तो it will be in divide 3. Okay, and here it was minus 30, so minus 30 divided by 3. 30 को जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं 3 से तो बेटा आंसर आएगा 10, and minus was also written, so here our answer will be minus 10. Yes, Rishabh. So our answer will be x value as minus 10. So this is question number 4. If it is right, give yourself again 5 marks. Okay. Now move on to the very last question, that is x is equals to x upon 20 is equals to 5. Okay. Now variable is x and I have to make variable alone. So x यही रह जाएगा बेटा and 5 के पास चला जाएगा ये 20 in the form of multiply. Why in the form of multiply this time? Because 20 was in divide, है ना? So वहां जाकर के हो गया multiply. Now this is 20 multiply by 5 will give you 100. So the last answer will be x is equals to 100. Now students, count your marks and tell me how many marks you have got. Yes, students, I have given you various examples of finding solution of equations. But remember beta, if suppose the equation comes where you are finding that variable is one only, but written many times. Written many times means, for example, suppose the question is a plus 2a plus 4a is equals to 35. Okay, now see this question. In this question, you are finding that variable is a only. We have only one variable, that is a, but written many times. Here also variable, here also the same variable, here also the same variable. It means it is written 3 times, है ना? 3 जगह पर अलग-अलग जगह पे लिखा है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हमको वेरिएबल को अकेला ही बनाना है, बट हम पहले इस वेरिएबल को सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, अब कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? जस्ट आई गेव यू द एग्जांपल. For example, if you have 3 books and you are adding 7 books to them, you will be getting 7 and 3, 10 books. Okay, the same applies here. The same applies here also, beta. How? Look at here. This is 1A, this is 2A, and this is 4A. Can you tell me how many total A we have right now? Tell me faster. 1A plus 2A plus 4A. How many total A? Write it down faster. Yes, I got the answer from one student. What about rest? What about rest of the student? Look at here. This is 1A. This is 2A. And this is 4A. How many A in total? Okay, total we have 7A. Okay, how? 1 और 2 मिलाकर के हो गया बेटा 3 और 3 और 4 मिलाकर के हो गया 7. So total A's are 7. So we have total 7A. Now 7A is equals to 35. अब देखो हमारी इक्वेशन बिल्कुल वैसी बन गई जैसे हमें चाहिए थी. Now 7A is equals to 35. Now you can solve it further. It will be now A is equals to 35 upon 7. Now you can cancel it. 7 5s are 35. Answer will be A is equal to 5. Okay. The pattern is the same as we have discussed in the previous one. The similar is this. Only you have to all together combined all the variables which is written there. Okay. Now we are doing the question of solving equation where we have variable one only but written many times. For example, suppose the question is 7x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 144. Suppose this is the question. Now understand this. Variable is x. Variable is one only, that is x, but written many times. How? Here also 7x, here 2x, here 3x, means this variable is x but written many times. So what we will be doing, we will be solving first these concepts what is given in the question. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर इसको समझिए, जैसे x की means you are talking about xmas, ठीक है, xmas free. So here we have 7x plus 2x plus 3x. What will come together? Tell me. Tell me what will be the number, what will be the answer, what will be the answer? Okay, correct. When you will add all together, you will have 12x. Okay, now 12x and यहाँ पर बचा है 144. So now the question has come into the pattern जैसा हमें करना था, ठीक है? So 12x is equals to 144. जब हम इसको solve करेंगे बेटा, तो it will be now 12 into x. 12x का मतलब होता है 12 into x. So now value of x will be 144 upon 12. And when we divide 144 by 12, your answer comes only 12. This is the pattern of this one particular question. Please note it down this. Then we will move to the next pattern of question. I'm rubbing the question only and writing down the next question, the next pattern which I have to discuss. 3x plus the question given by Ashima. Sorry, not Ashima, sorry, Ritisha. 3, it is 3x plus 2 is equals to 8 plus x. Next set of question. I'm rubbing this one now, what we have already done it. Now understand this bit. This next pattern of question. Here also the same pattern which we have just now discussed, okay? But the changes are variable is again x only. Only we have one variable, that is x, but written here 2 times. 3x and this side x means एक इधर कर दिया गया, एक उधर कर दिया गया है. कांस्टेंट मींस नंबर एक यहां पर कर दिया गया, एक वहां पे कर दिया गया. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, कैन यू टेल मी, अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन में बात करूं, सो कौन किसका फ्रेंड है, कौन किसका इसमें रियल फ्रेंड है? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी, कैन यू हेल्प मी आउट? हु इज द रियल फ्रेंड ऑफ हियर? लाइक 2 किसका फ्रेंड कहलाएगा और x किसका फ्रेंड कहलाएगा? सोच कर बताओ. अगर मैं चारों टर्म्स को देखूं तो आपको क्या लगता है किसको किसके साथ होना चाहिए था? यस, करेक्ट. 3x को x के साथ होना चाहिए था और 8 को 2 के साथ होना चाहिए था, एज अकॉर्डिंग टू आर नॉलेज, है ना. वेरिएबल वाला वेरिएबल के साथ होना चाहिए था, नंबर वाला नंबर के साथ होना चाहिए था. बट यहाँ पर क्या है, सब अलग अलग लिखे हुए हैं. तो हम क्या करते हैं, पहले हम इनको इनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ लिख देते हैं, ठीक है. पहले हम इनको इनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ लिख देते हैं. लेकिन आपको याद होगा, मैंने एकदम बिगनिंग में पढ़ाया था आपको कि जब हम पोजीशन चेंज करते हैं बेटा, तो होता क्या है, नंबर का साइन भी चेंज होता है. साइन मींस पोजीशन चेंज होती है. पॉजिटिव बिकम्स negative, या you can call it addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes addition, multiplication. Now understand this. इस x को हम लेकर आते हैं 3x के पास. Can you tell me how 3x के पास x will come? Now you reply. I am not going to solve it. You tell me. 3x के पास हमको इस x को लेकर के आना है. How it will come? Plus x will come, minus x will come, multiply x will come, or divide x will come. Tell me now faster. Use your chat box. Yes, very true. Ojal, Aditya, Manya, Aditya, Ayush, everybody is writing and they are right. आरव मल्टीप्लाई नहीं आएगा बेटा, डिवाइड तो कहीं है ही नहीं यहाँ पर. क्वेश्चन में केवल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन है. यस, वेरी ट्रू. दिस इज प्लस एक्स, दिस इज प्लस एक्स, तो यहाँ आएगा तो बेटा हो जाएगा माइनस एक्स. ये हो गया वन स्टेप. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ का 2 हटाना है और उधर भेजना है. यहाँ का 2 हटाना है और 8 के मतलब अपने उसके फ्रेंड के पास भेजना है. नाउ यू टेल मी 8 के पास 2 कैसे जाएगा? प्लस में, माइनस में, मल्टीप्लाई में, डिवाइड में? राइट इट डाउन हाउ इट विल गो. टेल मी फास्टर हाउ इट विल गो. वेरी गुड. यस, वेरी राइट. Okay, you got the message. You got the correct process of this question. Yes, it is +2. ये उधर जाएगा तो बेटा हो जाएगा -2. Okay, that will be now -2. अब can you tell me what will be the next step? जल्दी से बताओ फटाफट. What will be the next step? What can we write now? Yes. What can be the next step? 3x में से 1x जाएगा, हाउ मच विल बी लेफ्ट? 3x में से 1x जाएगा, हाउ मच विल बी लेफ्ट? ओके, 2x, करेक्ट, 2x विल बी लेफ्ट. नाउ 8 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे, हाउ मच विल बी लेफ्ट? यस, 6 विल बी लेफ्ट. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? आपने किया हुआ है, बताइए. व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? Value of x, what will be there? Yes, correct. Value of x will be 6 divided by 2 because 2x का मतलब होता है 2 into x. So when you will do it, it will go and divide and value of x will remain x is equals to 3. x is equals to 3. इस क्वेश्चन में केवल एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा था बेटा कि उनको अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ लेकर जाना. ठीक है, so I have told you one pattern of the question. Now I am going to give you the same pattern of question. Please do it and tell me the solution of it. I'm going to rub this pattern. Not rubbing, I'm writing a next question here. You do it and tell me what will be the answer. 5p plus 3 is equals to 8 and this is minus 5p. Yes, correct. Now try this out and tell me what should be the answer. And only the one question of comet will be left that we will be discussing right now. 5p plus 3 is equals to 8 minus 5p. Please try this question and tell me the solution of it. What will be the answer of it? Now understand the concept. 5p means variable is p but written 2 times at 2 different places. One is on left hand side and another one is on right hand side. तो पहले हम इनको क्या करते हैं, उनको एक जैसे दिखने वाले टर्म्स को एक तरफ लेकर आते हैं. ठीक है, नंबर here it is written +3, there it is 8. तो नंबर को हम एक तरफ लेते हैं, वेरिएबल को हम एक तरफ लेते हैं. दैट इज आवर फर्स्ट प्रोसेस. कीप द फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर. ओके, कीप द फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, बट हमको इधर पे फ्रेंड्स को जब लाना होगा तो वी विल बी चेंजिंग द पोजिशन. And as we are changing the position, the sign and the position will become changed. Now look at here how. 5p will be 5p because ये यहाँ पर ही था, यहीं पर है. ये वाला -5p, look at here, this is -5p बेटा, will come this side, it will become what? You think of it now. This was -5p, इधर आएगा, what it will become? Tell me now. बेटा उसको हमेशा उसके साइन के साथ देखा करो. -5p will come this side as +5p. ठीक है, this is now +5p. यहाँ पे खत्म. Now 8 was written earlier, now also it is written. I am not changing the position of 8. 8 is written like that only. Okay. Now this +3 will also go to their friend. ठीक है. So ये वाला +3, this is +3 will go that side. Can you please tell me with which sign it will go? हमेशा एक एक स्टेप किया करो बेटा, एक साथ नहीं करते. Yes, it will be now -3 because यहाँ पर +3 था, वहां जाकर के हो जाएगा -3. Okay, अब इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Now look at here, 8 में से 3 माइनस होगा, बचेगा बेटा 5 और 5 और 5 ऐड होगा, मिलेगा हमें 10p. ठीक है. अब आप लोग मुझे आंसर बता रहे हैं 2 कैसे हो जाएगा बेटा? आंसर ये है 10p. सो इट मींस ये जाएगा डिवाइड में ना, मतलब बनेगा 5/10. You all are doing 10/5. How 10/5 will come? Think, this is 10p. So ये 10 इसके साथ नीचे जाएगा ना. So 5/10 will come. So either you write 1/2 as answer or you write 0.5 as answer. Both are correct. या तो आप लिखो 1/2 or you write 0.5. Both are correct. Okay. 10 will not be divided by 5 beta. You will be writing 5/10. Okay, not 10/5 because आप इसको यहाँ भेज रहे हो ना, 10 जा रहा है उधर पे, 5 नहीं आ रहा है इधर पे. तो जो जा रहा है वो नीचे जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, ना कि वो. So this is also done. So now this pattern is also completed. I hope you have understood this. If not understood, please reply no. If understood, write down yes, so that I can move forward to the last pattern of the question. We have finished this chapter completely from NCERT, from RS. Now I am going to do the last question of this chapter. Ma'am, Ayush is telling ma'am, please do one more question of this pattern. Okay, we'll be discussing after this pattern, Ayush. Okay, एक और करेंगे but इसके बाद. Now all of you noted down the next pattern of heading. It is again from RS Agarwal, not from NCERT. The question is, find the value of expression. Please note it down this heading. If x is equals to 2, this is the full question. Please note it down. And it is not from NCERT. It is not from COMATE. This question I am giving you from my mind. This question belongs to RS and also from RD. So please note it down, this question as a compulsory question on your fair copy. Okay. Yes, Ritisha, we are doing that question. ये इसी से related है बेटा. पहले small question समझाएंगे, तब हम लोग tough वाले में जाएंगे इससे, है ना? पहले इसका base समझाएं कि कैसे करना है इसको. Okay. So now बेटा यहाँ पर question read करो. Find the value of expression. हमें value की expression की value निकालनी है तब जब x की value 2 हो. ठीक है. So it means जहां पर भी x आएगा हमें वहां पर 2 ही लेना है. ठीक है. मतलब हमें पहले से पता चल गया है कि x क्या है, 2 है. ठीक है. Now suppose the question is 3x. ठीक है. Suppose question आया केवल 3x. Now may I know 3x मतलब क्या होता है? It's 3 plus x or 3 into x. Write it down faster. It's 3 plus x or 3 into x. Yes, correct. It is 3 into x. Okay, this we have got it. Now I am asking from you, जहां पर x है वहां पर पहले से हमें पता है कि हमें 2 रखना है, तो जहां पर x है वहां पर रखिए 2 and tell me what answer will come. It will give you 3 into 2 and answer will be 6. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now, giving you the next question. Tell me what will come. 3 minus x. Tell me the answer. 3 minus x. Yes. Put the value and then find out the answer. Okay? First you put the value and then write down the answer to me. Correct. जहां पर x है बेटा वहां पर हम रखेंगे 2 बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में पहले से बताया है कि आपको 2 रखना है. 3 minus 2 answer will be 1. Okay, this is also done. Now giving you the next question, question number C. 3x plus 5. Tell me the answer. 3x plus 5. Very good. 3x plus 5. Let me see how many of you write it down. Yes, Samir, you are right. Arav, you are right. Sanath, you are right. Nitisha, you are right. Very nice. I can see most of you are doing it and they are right also. Okay. Now the voice is okay. Acha, now fine. Okay. So remember beta how we will do this. 3x का मतलब होता है 3 into x और x की जगह पर हमको रखना है 2. तो ये हो गया हमारे पास 3 into 2 plus 5. Now 3 into 2 कितना होता है 6. 6 plus 5 answer will come 11. Okay, answer will come 11. So this is the pattern how to find out the value. Remember, when you have to find out the value of expression, you will be writing the value of variable on the places where the variable is present. Okay, now we are moving towards the little tough question. Little tough, not so much of tough, है ना? चलो, let's do this one now. The question is this only, find the value of expression. But here I am changing now. You have to put P is equal to 2, Q is equals to 3. Now I am using two variables. जहां पर P होगा, you will be writing 2. जहां पर Q होगा, you will be writing 3. Okay? Let's discuss now the question. 2P plus 3Q. What should be the value of expression? Try this out. 2P plus 3Q. What should be the value of expression? Try this. Very nice. I have started getting the answer. Yes, very good. Rishabh, Krishna Kunal, and also Sanat. Other students, try this. 2P मतलब क्या होता है 2 into P. 3Q मतलब क्या होता है 3 into Q. Now put the value there. P की जगह पर P की वैल्यू, Q की जगह पर Q की वैल्यू, and find out the answer. A very simple concept is used, beta. Okay, very nice. I think now I have started getting the answer from almost many of you, and all the answers are right. Look at here. 2P means होता है बेटा 2P, 2 into P, and 3Q means होता है 3 into Q. Okay. Now 2 into P की जगह पर हम रखेंगे 2. Okay. Plus 3 into Q की जगह पर क्या रखेंगे 3, because क्वेश्चन में हमको दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. Now simply solve it and add it. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, and 9 4 13. Finished. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसेस. ठीक है, अब थोड़ा सा और लेवल बढ़ाते हैं, थोड़ा सा और लेवल. ठीक है, अब नाउ आई एम रबिंग दिस. सेम क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1, z is equals to 3. अब यहाँ पर तीन वेरिएबल यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, x, y and z. Now the question is 3z plus 2x minus 2y. Think of it, put the value, find out the answer. I'm sure, Ritisha, now you must be understanding that why I have given this kind of questions. Okay, because now you are reaching to that level जो question हमको कोमेट में दिया था बेटा. Okay, I can see many of you have started writing the answer as well. Very good. Very good. Is my answer correct? Yes, Avantika, just give me a moment. I will be doing this question on the board. Then you will be then you will be able to see that where answer is right or not, huh? Because many are writing different answers. Okay, let's check this out. 3z means 3 into z. 2x means 2 into x. 2y means 2 into y. Okay. Now let's put the value. Z 3, x 2, y 1. I have placed the values now. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Now 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 2, 11. So our answer will be 11 this time. Okay. Many of you have written 11 and I'm very happy that your answers were right. Now let us try the last question of the book, which is Comet. Huh? Now we are doing the question which is related to Comet. Now you will understand this question very properly. Okay, because we have done that type of pattern now. So I am rubbing this question solution. Now this question which I am writing on the board is related to Comet. The question is x की जगह पर you have to place 1, y की जगह पर you have to place -2 and z की जगह पर you have to place 3. Okay, there are 3 values of x, y and z. Now you have to find out the value of 3x plus 2y minus 3xyz. Okay. Now let's do this question. Please do this question along with me. मेरे साथ करते हैं, ठीक है? See, 3x का मतलब होता है बेटा 3 into x. Okay. 2y का मतलब होता है 2 into y. Okay. Then minus 3xyz. That means 3 into x into y into z. Okay. X, Y, Z, all the three terms are in the form of multiplication. All the three variables are in the form of multiplication. Now let's put the value differently, X, Y, and Z. X की जगह पर you have to place 1, so I have written 1. Y की जगह पर you have to place -2, so I have placed -2. Then you have to place X, Y, Z, all the three terms here. So X की जगह पर हमने रखा 1, Y की जगह पर हमने रखा -2, Z की जगह पर हमने रखा 3. Okay, so I have placed all the values you can see here. Okay, now let us solve one by one. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 2, 4, and plus minus will give you minus. Okay, now 3 into 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. When you will multiply all together, it will give you 18. Okay? And this minus sign and this minus sign will come together and give you plus sign. Okay? Minus minus comes plus in the form of multiplication. Okay? So this we have done it. Now you know the integer very well. Solve this and tell me the answer. See, it is 3. This is -4. Remember, this is 3 and -4. What will come? 3 minus 4. What will come? 7 or -1? Tell me faster. I am talking about 3 and -4. What will come? -1. Correct. Now -1 will come from here and this is plus 18. So the answer will be 17. This is the complete solution of this particular question. ठीक है. Now अगर हम बात करें कोमेट की बेटा, तो कोमेट में एक और टर्म एडेड है, दैट इज 3z. ठीक है. इन कोमेट यू हैव वन मोर टर्म रिटन 3z. सो मैंने जानबूझकर वो टर्म यहां से हटाया ताकि अब वो क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई करो, because I have discussed the same pattern now, one question for trying by your own. ठीक है. So that you can understand how we can do this type of questions. Okay, finished. Thank you very much everyone. Who are noting, they can wait. Who have done it, they can leave.